हर मैदान फतेह, हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदियां, हर मैदान फतेह।
Hi friends, how many times it has so happened that when you get a call from the customer, you say, "Oh यार ये customer का फिर phone आ गया." How many times has it happened that when you see the phone ringing and you say, "इसका तो phone मैं नहीं उठाऊंगा." How many times it has so happened that when a customer walks in and you say, "यार ये customer फिर कहाँ से आ गया?" Well, all this came to me today while I was sitting in office, and I just thought that before I end the day, I should share this with you. While sitting in office today, I overheard a colleague of mine saying कि इस कस्टमर ने अगर संडे को गाड़ी मांगी तो आई विल इंश्योर कि मैं गाड़ी ना दूं। अरे भाई, उस कस्टमर की क्या गलती है? Let's understand what the customer is all about. Remember one thing. If you are a salesperson, your salary, your job, your incentives, your house, all your desires, your wishes are all coming from the customer's money. Remember this thing very, very clearly, that the customer is the king, the customer is God. He is the one who is helping us do our sales. Let's look at the customer's psychology. Whenever he is buying a product or service from you, he is buying something which is very important to him. I have been selling cars for a very long time now. Believe you me, a car is a decision which takes weeks together to close upon. The whole family is engaged in deciding which car to buy. For them, this is a moment of excitement because it is purchase that they are making which has taken hard-earned money and a lot of time to collect and to decide about the final product that they intend to buy. Now, when they're coming over to take the delivery of this car, it is an occasion for them. Believe you me, it is a festivity that is there in their house. Do we want to be a part of this festivity, or do we just want to do another sale? Always remember that whenever you're dealing with a customer, look at it from his perspective. Look how important that decision is for him. Put yourself onto your customer's shoes. Whenever you want to go and buy a product, don't you expect that the salesperson should deal with you properly? He should understand your need and understand what you actually require. Does he do is a hasty sale to you? Well, I'm sure not. That is how we need to do our sales. During this run on doing sales, we have forgotten that the most important component of the sale is not our product, is not our services. It is not us, it is the customer. I remember I had heard it long back that the customer is the king, the customer is God. If you have got any doubt about it, please refer point number 1, that the customer is king, the customer is God. Please treat your customers very well, because that is where we are earning our salaries and incentives from. It is from these customers, if you give good service, after sales service, these are the people who will come back to you for the second, third, fourth, fifth repeat sale. These are the customers who are going to give references. Be good to them, and believe you me, they will be good to you. Thank you.